Hello and welcome to another episode of Are You Kitting Me? Or also known as Are You Kitting With Me? Hi, I'm Robbie Susan Chandler, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who lives in Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. I hold classes in my home, so if you live in the area, I'd love for you to come over and join me in a class sometime. Today I'm introducing another kit, or a kit called Heirloom Arrangements Kit. Now I've already opened this one up, so this is what you'd see inside when you open it up. This makes 2, 4, 6, 8 beautiful cards, and I mean really pretty cards with a lot of detail. And in the kit you get all the supplies, all the card, all the flowers, and then you also get the stamp set, and they give you a little piece of paper that tells you what the stamps are. And you get a pecan pie stamping spot. You get a sheet of dimensionals. You also get a roll of tape. And then you get all the envelopes that you need for the cards. So there's 8 of these. And let's see, most of them have the brown. This one has a print inside, and this one has little squares. So let's look at the cards. Box is fine, but it's not so much. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. So this, I've already opened this, and I didn't want to open another one, so I'm just going to use this one to show you what I did. But the front gives you pictures of all the cards, and when you open to the first page, it has card number 1. So card number 1, it tells you exactly what you need. If you're going to stamp your envelope, it shows you that. And then it tells you to get these pieces and this envelope out of the box, and they're all perforated or stuck to sheets, so you just poke them out. So this is the first one. Oh, look at that, isn't that beautiful? See, it shows you to get your card base, and then this piece, and then you put the pink one on top, and then next you would add these flowers. So here's the tall one in the back, and it's actually vellum. I don't know if you can see that, but that was vellum. And then you add this one in front, then your butterfly, and then they put the For You up there, but I decided to stick it down here. So that's the first card. That's card number 1. And then card number 2, they also give you step by step. So here's this card. Look at that one, and that one beautiful. So they tell you to get your pinky color. I think it's probably petal pink card base. And then you put this floral piece, kind of a tag looking piece down, and next to it this kind of other tag looking piece. And then I put some vellum flowers behind it, and then you use this oval piece, and on top of it you have this flower and your butterfly, and I put my For You here. Now the kit had some extra flowers in it, so since these were yellow, I stuck another one on here. I did find there were 2 or 3 extra pieces in the kit. So those are the first 2 cards that they give you the instructions step by step how to do. But after that, they give you this page. And I call it Look at the Picture and Put Them Together, which really was not hard at all. I think it took me an hour to make this whole kit. So let's look at the first one. This is the first one, and that one pretty. And it just shows you that you punch out of your little sheets where all the pieces are. You punch all these pieces out and you just layer them. And the second one, like, do you see this one? Look at this one. Same thing, you just find all your pieces. And my suggestion is at the beginning is to lay your card bases out, then punch all the pieces out and lay them on the card bases so you'll know which one goes on which one. This is the third one, this one right here. And they're all just beautiful. And I just put For You on all of mine because I didn't know what I was going to use it for, so I figured For You for your birthday, For You congratulations, For You for your wedding, For You kind of fits a lot of things. All right, and this one actually goes this direction. It's landscape, not portrait. And you just find the pieces in the box. I added this little vellum piece because it was left over, and I thought, why not? And the next one is also landscape, and you can see it's really pretty easy to put them together. You just look at the picture and find all the pieces. And then the last one is this one, and it's this picture right here. So see, it's not a hard kit to put together. Like I said, you just find the pieces and they give you all the dimensionals to use, and you just put them together. So I'm going to lay them out for you again so you can see all of them. So here's three with a kind of pink background. Can I get all these down here? I'm sure going to try. There were a lot of cards in this kit. I really didn't realize there were 8 when I started making them. And there they are. Aren't those beautiful? There's so much detail, and they're really, really nice cards. So if you're hunting a quick kit that's really pretty, look for the Heirloom Arrangement Kit. It's number 165007. I think it runs about $25 or so in that area. And I'll put a link to it below the video so you can just click on it and go to my store and buy it. So until next time, would you like this video, please? I'm jumping ahead of myself. Like my videos, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And like I said, the link to this will be below. If you need a demonstrator, I'd love to be your demonstrator, and I would love for you to be on my team. Stampin' Up! Actually is having a joining or starter kit special for the month of May, starting May 6th through the 31st. Where for $99 you can pick any $165 you want to go in your starter kit. So that's anything in any of the current catalogs and online exclusives. You can pick from any of those. So until next time, happy crafting.